Welcome and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. On this channel, we focus on beauty, fashion, commentary, and much more. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and joining our community. So in today's video, I'm trying to incorporate like a grown woman series to just encompass all the things we love as grown women. So I have been on the hunt for more protective styles, especially because it's the colder months, and I haven't bought a wig in a while, and there are some wig brands that I want to try, and this is not sponsored. I'm buying these wigs out of my pocket, out of my own pocket. So I wanted to try the brand Nadula because I have seen so many girls try it, and I'm just looking for a good wig company because I've had a good wig company in like at least 10 years. So Nadula. Now, one thing I can say is that most of these brands actually have their items on Amazon. I prefer to buy it on Amazon because if I don't like it, then I can return it easily. Whereas, yes, I know these brands have return policies, but sometimes they can be iffy with the returns. Whereas Amazon, they'll let you pretty much return everything. It is the Bye Knots Glueless wavy wig, and it has the drawstring. So let's see what's in it. So it comes in this beautiful packaging. We have the wig. It has, a typical goodie bag. So the wig cap, the edge brush, it's cute. The Velcro strap to put around, but I don't glue my wigs down ever. The wig adjustment band, and the Bye Knots, which you can put on the side, but I'm not going to use it. So I originally bought this wig. It was on sale, 24 inches. It was on sale for $196, and then when I went back a few days, maybe because Black Friday, it was then $145. Of course, I returned it and got it for the $145. Now, it is supposed to be pre-everything. You're not supposed to, everything is supposed to be done with the wig. Now, the last time I checked, I think it was 150% density. Me, I prefer 250 density because I feel like 10 years ago, when we was getting 150 density, it was really 250 density. It's the 250 density now. So it's not as much volume as I typically like. So what I can say, it's pre-everything. So look at the knots. Closer. The wig construction. So it has the lace, and then it has the adjustable strand. And if I sound weird, I have that throat virus, so I apologize. And then what I love is that the drawstring. So let's pop it. Now it has that so I've had it for a week, and it does have that semi-chemical smell to it, but since I've aired it out, it doesn't really, and I usually wash my wigs. Also with this one, the one I had before, the ends were better. The ends are kind of like scraggly, but I think it's nothing you can't fix without, water. So, and then it has the pre-made baby here on it. So let's pop it on the head. And I love now that it has the like C-shaped design for the ears. And I'm gonna just draw it in. Just adjust this. So far so good. Look at the knots. I'm not a baby here, but it is pre-everything. When they say just plop it on and wear it, it's definitely pre-everything, because I just plopped it on and it looks good right out of the box. The only thing I said I don't like is the straggly end, so I'm just gonna wet it a bit. Now for me, I have to wash my wigs because they put a lot of chemicals in these wigs. So I wanted to try it on beforehand to see if I really like it before I go through the wash process. So far so good, like right out of the package. Not a lot of shedding so far, but things will change. This was one of the brands that's, most girls are Nadula. So I wanted to try it out. I love that they know how they like brush it up and down. I usually just go straight, but I kind of like this method more. The knots are extremely bleached, and I just wish it was more density. That's the only thing. I like my hair really full because, you know, after multiple washes it's going to shed. And it's like, I feel like these wigs nowadays are not living up to the wigs back in the days. Like, I have wigs from like 10 years ago that are still holding strong, and I feel like these wigs like 2-3 years and you have to buy new ones. So I'm hoping this will last because I kind of want some curly hair for the winter, and I just don't feel like braiding my hair. I honestly, I've been sick and I've been lazy with my hair, so I'm kind of looking for wigs to kind of compensate because I just don't want to do anything with my hair. So this is how it looks. Let me show you the back. And I love that you can like, I really love this. My husband, when he saw it, because you know I tried it on the head, he loved it too. So, and I love the drawstrings because it feels so secure. Like, you don't even need to strap the back of it. So. Now you see that? That's the only thing I don't like. I don't know, that line of demarcation is always like something I don't rock with. Someone put something on it. I don't know. I might cut that, like, to deal with that. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about this wig, because I'm not used to it and I don't glue stuff down. Like, it's the only thing I dislike. But otherwise, she good. Look at them knots. Okay, Nadula, I see you, I see you, I see you.